Alright guys, we're back for another one. I got tire slime. Got 2 bottles of these. Big bottles, 3.8 liters. I'm gonna put this in my 2019 Polaris XP1000 Ranger. I have 2 leaks in my tires right now. I have one in the rear. I have lost the bead on that tire twice already. Kind of thing is just a problem tire, but this will fix that for sure. And then in the front tire, I hit some logs or some piece of wood that got trapped in between the tire and the rim. I pulled it out, so it just is still giving a slow leak. But I'm just gonna put this in and it's gonna fix that problem too. I used it in my car, like in my work truck before, so it does work. It says it could stop a leak from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Big hole. I don't think it's gonna stop 1/2 inch, but that's what it says. Anyways, this is easy to use. Put it in. I'm gonna do like 15 pumps. On the bottle itself, it says like for a dirt bike, lawnmower, RV, stuff like that, tractor, side by side, and ATV, how many pumps to put in. Like side by side says 24. I'm just gonna put 15 pumps for now and just drive like that, so it will help out. This stuff, if you use this stuff on your tires, on your rim and tire package, it's gonna be hell if you're gonna take off your tire and stuff. If you bring your car, like your vehicle, to a shop, mechanic, if they're smart, they're gonna ask you, did you ever put any of these products in your tire? If they do ask you, just say no. When they take apart the tire and this starts pouring out of it, just point the finger at the wife. And that's it, kind of thing. Because this does not turn solid. It remains a liquid inside your rim and tire until it senses air, like a leak. Then it's gonna clog up and stop that leak. But it's always gonna be remaining a liquid in your rim and tire. If you put too much of this product into your tire package, it's gonna throw off the balance of the tire and the rim. So it's gonna be like ba 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 on down the road and stuff. So that's why right now I'm gonna just do 15 pumps each tire and see how it goes. And then if I need more, I'll just go back and boom, 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 put some more, and that's it. All right, guys. With the tire slime, you get a little valve stem remover. This little thingy jiggy. So you go to your valve stem, take off the cap, shove this in there, unscrew your valve and stuff, and pull it out and take all the air out of your tires, everything. When you're ready to use it, first open it up. It's zip tied together with these 2 little lock things for shipping purposes. Twist it, it's gonna pop out the plunger. Pump this like 20 times, 100 times and stuff until you get the air out of the bottle and it starts pouring out like this, how I have it right now. So it's ready to go. All the air is out of the bottle. So every pump is gonna give you like, I don't know, 40 mil or something like that. That's what it equals to 30 millimeters of product every pump. That's what it equals to. All right, I already removed the air and the valves out of 3 tires right now. So they're sitting straight on rims. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this right now, like live kind of thing, how I do it. Unscrew your cap. Unscrew the cap. That gets you access to the valve. Take your valve stem remover. Twist it, catch it. Now it's caught into the valve. And let's twist it out. Explain this to me. Okay, now with the valve removed, this little thingy jiggy, this is your valve. So I removed this. Now you just have to wait until all the air is gone out of the tire. You can't put the product in with air inside the tire still. So we're still running tire chains. So it's gonna drop. Still a little bit more air in there. Okay, let's start on the front. We're gonna start on the front. So take the tube that comes with the kit, the slime, put it over the valve there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
And one for good luck.
16, 17.
Or 2.
18.
Or 3.
19. 20. Let's just do 20. So I pumped it up for 20. So once you remove it, see, you pumped up a little bit of air in there. Always, when you're gonna do this, put the valve stem on the top position or on the sides, not on the bottom and stuff, because if you're gonna pump this in, it's gonna fill up and then it's gonna back right out. So take your valve again, push it in there, take your tool, line up and just twist it in place. That's it. So your valve's back in the place. Now you just take your compressor, fill it up with air, each tire, and then drive around the block. Drive around the block so it goes around the tire. It coats the whole tire, and then you'll be good to go. That's done. When you're done, take your valve tool that comes with it, just put it on top like that, on top of the tube, and that's it, so it doesn't leak out when you store it. Now just twist it like that. Voila.
How much do you have left?
Half the bottle. Half the bottle, so it's worth it, these bottles, to buy. Okay, so we're done with that. I know a lot of guys say that they prefer not to use the tire slime and stuff, but they say, oh, it's gonna kill your valves and all that stuff. I've been using this product for a couple years now for multiple applications. I never had a problem with valve sticking or getting jammed up or anything like that. So, and it does work. It stops the leaks. It's worth the money and stuff. All right, guys. Now we're gonna go pump up the tires. Oh, it's negative 20 right now. So, yeah, my fingers are frozen and stuff. So this product will not freeze. So that's the good part about it. It will always remain liquid. All right, so we filled up all the tires. Now I'm gonna go drive around the block, set them in, and that's it. So the product could go around the tire when you drive. I'm gonna go for like 5-10 minutes, and I'll be back and I'll be done. And so that process will be done. All right, guys, if you like watching this, please like, subscribe, and stuff. Comment down below. Tire Slime. I'll put the link in the description of where I got it. Great product. Recommend this to everyone for ATVs, side-by-sides, and full-size cars. Alright guys, on to the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.